Welcome to our Moments support video, which will take you through how to create and manage report templates. In this video, we will show you how easy it is to configure templates for your staff to use to create reports in Moments. To create a report template, click on the cog icon and click on the Templates tab. Now you can create a new template, call that template whatever you like. You're able to select here whether the template is to be available at the organisation level or at service level. So if you have multiple services and you would like this template to be selected by your staff at all of your services, you can do that at organisation, or if you would like it to only be applicable at an individual service level, you can create that. Now I'll proceed ahead. What you will be provided with is the ability to now create your template. So the ability to go and build out your template as to however you would like it to look. So things like being able to go in and insert tables, if that's something that you would like to set up. Being able to insert your logo or any particular moments that you might want to insert. Being able to set up your headings and paragraphs. So being able to go through and simply build it out using the selections across the screen up the top here. So once you actually have then your template, you're able to save that, and the template will now be available on the template dashboard to be able to view and or edit. So in the instance where I would like to edit a template that I've already created, let's say I'd like to edit my day sheet, I can come through here, click on the three little dot icon, and I can edit. So if I would like to edit this day sheet, if I want to add in some additional information, if I want to add in some additional text down the bottom, I simply can go in and I can go through and I can add further information. So anything that you might like to add in here that you would like to be selectable or filled in when a user goes in and selects that report template. So I can save that, and that will now be back into my templates, which essentially is the master. You are also able to import templates. So we do have system templates that are available here. You'll be able to pick from those and import them for them to be able to be available. So reports can be anything essentially that you would like to create for your users to be able to select when creating a report. That concludes our Moments report template support video. We will be exploring how to create reports in our next series of support videos. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly customer success team. Thank you.